everybody! Today we're going to learn a new sound and some new words. When you see the letters I and E, sometimes it makes the sound I. Can you say it with me? I. Very good. I-E, I. Now, do you know of any words that have the I sound? Can you think of any? Let's put our thinking caps on. Wow, there is die, lie down, tie, and pie. Can you see any of these words in the video? Let's take a close look. There is a man going home. It is very late at night. What can you see, everybody? You can see a tie and also a pie. Can you hear the sound I in both of the words? Oh no, and a monkey stole the pie away. Oh no, and the man is angry. So angry that the woman is lying down. Lie down. And what else can you see, boys and girls? I can see a die. Can you hear the sound I in the word die? I, E, I. Very good, everybody. Now you know a lot of words that have the I sound in them. Now you know the sound of the letters I and E. Don't forget what sound it makes. Great job, everybody. Hope to see you soon.